of our battle against pandemic, we are going to do our experiment at home. So, welcome to our episode 2! Before we begin with our experiment, let me give you a brief review about pressure. Let's watch this video. What is pressure? Force acting on a unit area of a surface is called pressure. The force applied on the surface is perpendicular to the surface is known as thrust. Pressure or P is equal to force or F over area or A. SI unit is Pascal, which is denoted by PA. 1 PA is equal to N/m squared. Pressure depends on two factors, the force and the area. Force, the more force applied, more pressure. Area, greater the surface area on which the pressure is applied, the lesser the pressure. The lesser the surface area, the more pressure. Okay, so today we're back with another experiment. It's called the pressure fountain. And of course, here is my dad to help us out with our experiment. And here are the materials we need. 1.5 liter empty bottle, 1 straw, clay, balloon, food coloring, glue gun and glue stick, and scissors.
Okay, Prof. Sean. Kung pressure fountain ang experiment natin today, what could be our experiment's problem?
Our experiment's problem will be how strong is the air pressure on the balloon that will eliminate the water from the bottle for each of the given time frame.
Ano naman kaya magiging hypothesis natin? Siguro, kulungin natin ng tubig to. Sigurado ako, lalakas ang pressure niyan.
Or, fill the balloon with enough air to make its pressure stronger. So those will be our hypotheses. Hypothesis 1, fill balloon with enough air to make its pressure stronger. Hypothesis 2, fill the bottle full of water to increase the pressure. Okay, so let's start. So for our first procedure, let's make a small hole about halfway up on one side of the bottle. And we're gonna use glue gun. Make sure it is hot enough to make a hole. And there it is, our hole. And now, for our next procedure, we need to place our straw into the hole and then seal it tightly with the use of clay. Okay, so now, for our next step, we will fill the bottle with water. So we will use food coloring to enhance the color of our water. So food color may vary depending on the chosen color. So, I chose red for our food coloring kasi mas madali siya makita. So ngayon, magpapatak tayo ng konti sa ating water, konti lang. And then, imimix natin para humalo yung food coloring sa water. Ngayon,
iinumin na?
hindi po. Ngayon po ay gagamit po tayo ng funnel para ma-pour po natin ang water sa ating bottle.
Parang gasolina yan.
Ngayon naman po ay kailangan po natin mag-prepare ng bowl that will catch the water, or pwede rin naman po natin gawin sa sink. But for now, I'm using a measuring cup. Okay, so now we need to blow up a balloon and then pinch the neck of the balloon. Okay, so ngayon po ay papaikutin na po natin yung balloon para po hindi po ma-release yung air. And then, let's place the balloon on the bottle's cup area carefully. Just make sure lang po na hindi po magre-release yung air.
Hirap naman ito, bro. Okay.
Okay, so observe how will the balloon loosen up while the water from the bottle flow out from this straw. So, we will record how many liters of water will be eliminated from our bottle from each of our given time frames. At tayo ay magre-record gamit yung phone ko para makita natin kung gaano ba karami yung water na naubos natin. Okay, so start na tayo.
Sige. Okay. Ready ka na, bro?
Okay, ready na.
Here we go.
Sa 5 seconds, meron tayong 125 milliliters. And then sa 10 seconds, meron tayong 250 milliliters. Sa 15 seconds, meron tayong 375 milliliters. And then 500 milliliters sa 20 seconds. 25 seconds, 625 milliliters. And then 30 seconds, we have 750 milliliters. So hintayin na lang natin para maubos yung tubig. For our data, in 5 seconds, we've got 0.125 liters. In 10 seconds, we've got 0.25 liters. In 15 seconds, we've got 0.375 liters. In 20 seconds, we've got 0.5 liters. In 25 seconds, we've got 0.625 liters. And in 30 seconds, we've got 0.75 liters. Okay, so what did we observe?
Ang lakas nung labas ng tubig nung tinitawan ko na dito. Tapos kahit halos wala nang nahangin, may lumalabas pa rin dito. Talagang lakas ng pressure coming from the balloon.
Because when you release the air from the balloon, it creates pressure inside the bottle and thus pushes water, creating a wonderful fountain. So look at what actually happened in this experiment.
The air inside the balloon is under higher pressure. When you place the inflated balloon on the mouth of the bottle, the air pressure on the top of the bottle increases. This pushes down on the water in the bottle, which rises through the straw and comes out, making our little fountain.
So, for our conclusion, I therefore conclude that the more air inside the balloon, the stronger pressure it releases that makes the water flow out from the bottle through the straw. Now, do we believe? I believe! Make your own pressure fountain and have fun. I hope you enjoyed this experiment and learned something new today. Thanks for watching, and always remember, I believe!